Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be seeing if NordVPN is still the best VPN for specifically unblocking geo restrictions. Now, it's not perfect in every category, despite what all the shield reviews on YouTube will tell you that are all done by the same guy. Wait a second, did I make a clip about that? Did you know that pretty much all of the other VPN review channels on YouTube that rank in the results are voiced by the same person? Look no further than Consumer Research Studios with this voice.
Welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about NordVPN.
Geekman.
Welcome back.
But regardless of that, we do want to do some actual tests here on the channel, unlike some other channels. But we want to see, can it really unblock that many regions? Nord has a really big server network and good speeds, but how many regions can it actually unlock? That's why we're going to be testing it here today on the channel. This video is sponsored by two VPN providers, Surfshark VPN, one of my top VPNs if you're looking for an excellent bundled offering. The bundled offering with Surfshark One Plus includes antivirus, various data breach protection features, and a data removal service called Incogni. This is a service that will go to websites like Whitepages and remove your IRL information. So this is definitely a solid pickup. It's a top rated offering here on my channel, and the data broker removal service is my top recommended one since it's so affordable. This is half as much as you're going to pay with some of the other services out there like Delete Me, so definitely a solid pickup. However, if you're looking for some other options, TorGuard is another good choice. It includes some remote VPN offerings, different email bundle offerings. It also includes interesting cloud proxy or V2 Ray options if you're in a censored country. The basic plan also includes SOCKS 5 proxy for torrenting, which is excellent. If you're looking for dedicated IPs, it's also very good since there's interesting bundles that are very affordable. If you want to use any of these things with TorGuard, use promo code TOMSPARK2023. With Surfshark, use my link in the description down below. It'll help support the channel, and these are two excellent products that I stand by and recommend on a daily basis. So there is a website I like to use called unogs.com if you guys want to check this one out. I'm not associated with them at all, but it's a good website. You can see specific content available in specific regions, letting you unlock these specific titles based on your VPN. So specifically, let's go ahead and test out Death Note. I do think this is it's not the Japanese flag, it's the South Korean flag. You can't really see it down there, but we're going to try to connect to a Korean server and see if we could watch Death Note. It does seem to be a 2006 movie, one of the older movies. I don't think I ever saw this one. So that is kind of interesting. It must be one of the original kind of live action movies. So we're going to be connecting right now to a server, as you can see here. So what we want to do is we want to bring up the list of servers. So we could type here. So maybe Korea, South Korea. There we go. That's the flag. We're just going to connect. And then we're going to refresh and see if we could watch that original Death Note movie. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. My internet connection is probably going to be a little bit slower than normal because we are connecting to all the way to Korea, and it looks different already. But let's try Death Note. So let's see if it can show it to us. Death Note. So this looks to be like, this is Death Note, but it might be the newer one. This, I think, could be it. 2 hours and 6 minutes. 2 hours and 6 minutes. Yes, so this is the original one. I might actually have to give this a watch. I don't think I've ever seen this one. But as you can see, it's not showing on the screen right now because Netflix kind of has a way to like block you from kind of streaming it in a weird way. So, okay, one for one. Let's go ahead and try out, I don't know, a random server like Das Boot. So Das Boot is available in Germany and Switzerland. Let's go ahead and type Switzerland. The thing I like about Nord specifically, it's very easy to switch servers. You just type the name, click it, and it switches automatically. Some other VPNs, you have to disconnect, wait a little bit, find the server, connect, wait a little bit. Nord makes it very easy to switch quickly. So, okay, now let's reload the page. Well, we'll go back first, then reload, and then we're going to be looking for Das Boot to see if this is available. So this is a Switzerland only channel or viewership. And here we go. Pretty nice. Das Boot does seem to be working. Pretty nice. So 2 for 2. We got Switzerland or Sweden. Switzerland, Sweden are not the same thing. So we have Switzerland, and we have anyways. So we have 2 for 2. Let's go ahead and try out something like we want to try out things that are kind of only on a couple servers, because I think that's an interesting way to do it. Okay, so here we go. Let's try UK. Always Sunny in Philadelphia. That's a good way to test it. So connect to the United Kingdom. Very quickly, as you can see, it is connecting very nicely. All right, we'll give it a couple seconds and we'll go back. We'll reload. And then we're doing, what are we doing again? Oh yeah, Sunny. There we go. Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Is it gonna work? We'll click here.
So I can't participate. But
There you go. You probably heard that. All right, 3 for 3. Very good, Nord. Okay, here's something interesting. Steins Gate. So this is available in Portugal. Let's try Japan. This is a good one to try. So let's go ahead and go back first. And then we'll do Japan. Connect here. And we'll do Steins Gate. All right. Reload the page. All right. Steins Gate. As you can see, there's already more Japanese content. So very interesting. We have Steins Gate right here. Now this is supposed to be one of the best animes, so I might also have to check this one out sometime. Supposed to be pretty good. I think it's about like him opening up some kind of portal or something. Looks pretty good. This one is actually supposed to be good too. So if you guys are looking for a good anime. So we have a good number of things we've checked out already. So let's go ahead and keep going. I've kind of lost count already. I think I'm around 3 or 4. But we'll make sure to keep the tally down there. Let's go ahead and try the United States version, just in case people are out of the United States. We'll do Seattle, and we'll connect. So we're going to be looking for Downton Abbey. This is only available in the United States. All right, so let's refresh. And we're going to go to Downton Abbey. All right, and there we are. Seems to be working perfectly. Still working very well. As you can see here, very nice. All right, 4 for 4, 5 for 5, or whatever we were counting at. Next up, let's go ahead and try Canada. This is us. A couple expecting triplets finds themselves in a brood or something. I don't know what the hell is going on there. But we'll do Canada. And then we'll do connect. And we will do the same thing to see if this works. Oh, there it is. So there it is. Even Italy seems to be working. So we've tried UK. Here we go. There's some interesting countries. Malaysia. Let's try Malaysia. And this will let us watch Fiction. Seems to be an interesting movie. All right, so let's try Malaysia. The nice thing about Nord is they really have access to pretty much every single country out there. Not every VPN is going to have a Malaysian server, for example. So once again, we're going to reload and look up the movie called Fiction. And let's see if it works. So we don't see it here. There's Dune. Let's go ahead and reload. So it looks like we might have found the first region that is not going to work, which is interesting. So it took us a while, but I guess if you want to watch Malaysian content, we're going to have a little bit of a gap there. But let's say, you still wanted to watch this, but it didn't support Malaysia. So let's look up Thailand. If we could find this movie on Thailand, that is still a net benefit because you still are going to get to watch the movie. So these do seem to be more like Netflix originals, do not seem to be working, which is interesting. I don't see it anywhere listed here. Let me know down in the comments down below if you've had success with the Thailand version or some of these other regions of Netflix. But it looks like that is kind of the theme with this. It's going to work with almost all of the major countries. There might be a little bit of things I kind of wanted to just keep going till we could find something that didn't work. So if you're looking into some of these specific countries, it might not work. But overall, out of all of them, it's going to pretty much be able to find you most regions. Here's 7. It looks like it might be on the Swedish version or Switzerland. We already checked that one is working, so there you go. All right, guys, let me know if this video was helpful down in the comments down below. If you want to check out Nord, I'll be putting my discount link in the description down below. If you want to help support the channel, this video was not sponsored by Nord. I just wanted to do an objective test, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.